When we build a school bus, we don't start with design, seats, or sheet metal. We start with a mission: to have a more positive environmental impact, to offer the kind of solutions today that give future generations a better tomorrow. We start with the kids on the corner in the dead of winter, the ones with frozen fingers and toes, and the ones who have to ride home in 110-degree heat on a sunny afternoon. We start with those who run the show, the ones who build the routes and run the fleets, who know that uptime equals on time, and on time equals more school time. We start with those behind the scenes, the ones who work on motors, under chassis, and behind dashboards, just to keep our wheels on the road. We start with parents who trust that their kid's bus has the technology and control it takes to keep them safe. We start with those who put the school in school bus, the ones in the classrooms and in the office who have bigger things to worry about than pickups and drop-offs. But most importantly, we start with the ones behind the wheel, the smiling faces that officially start school days across the world. Because we know that before the design, the brakes, the engine, or the dashboard works for the bus, it has to work for the driver. Because when you give drivers everything they need to be at their best, the technology and features it takes to be on time, dependable, and safe, everyone else is at their best too. A truly great school bus doesn't start with an engine, or wheels, or seats. It starts with him. It starts with her. It starts with them. It starts with this. It starts with you. I see bus ahead of its class.